Yeah, I thought we just saw this laptop.
Yeah, we did in a previous video. This is the Predator Triton 900 from Acer, and we just talked about this in another video. The problem with this, if there is a problem, is the price. Not everybody can afford $39.99. Yes, that's $3,999 for the Predator Triton 900. So if you can't, well, Acer has something a little bit more affordable.
Oh, nice.
And just a teeny little bit less powerful. This is the Predator Triton 500, and it's more affordably priced at $1,799. It's available in February. Now, it's a little bit more like a conventional gaming notebook. Still got that wonderful, nice keyboard and a little venting up here with speakers, trackpad, but the key is what it has inside of it. And that is the NVIDIA RTX 1080, the mobile version of their desktop ray tracing part. So ray tracing, as you might recall, of course, talks about as sort of models light as it passes through the air. It's a much more realistic form of three-dimensional graphics as opposed to sort of the polygon-based technology that we've used for years and years. This is the mobile version of it. Inside this is the RTX 2080 Max-Q, which is just probably, we're not sure, but probably just a teeny bit less powerful than the RTX 2080 GPU in the Triton 900. We don't know the specs as yet. One of the things that NVIDIA has limited us from doing is actually powering this machine on. We don't know at this point in time what the specs are of the 2080 GPU inside of this. We will shortly, and you should expect that story in a separate story on PCWorld.com. Now, we also know just a little bit more about the laptop itself. We can sort of go over here and we can see some of the ports that's being used here. It looks like it's got some USB-C and Thunderbolt, possibly. USB type, or Type A, and then we go over here, and a couple more ports.
Ethernet.
HDMI as well. So you'll find all the specs for this machine in our story, but this is sort of an overview, a look at what we've got here. One of the things that we hopefully will have a chance to try out when we review this is the mysterious turbo button, which of course is always intriguing. So that's the Predator Triton 500, the little brother or the little cousin to the Predator Triton 900, one of the cooler gaming laptops that we've seen here at CES. For more, please continue to go ahead and tune in to our YouTube channel, PC World's YouTube channel, as well as PCWorld.com. Thanks for watching.